Hey YouTubers, Gail here from Gail's Glam Designs with a mixed media share. This was done for a friend for his girlfriend's birthday. He drew me a sample of the hummingbirds, and he wanted it in a nighttime setting with under a blue moon. So I used a little bit of creative license and did my rendition. It says, "Our love shines brighter than the moon." And I did some modeling paste and some paper piecing for the wings. The bird is made out of modeling paste. I did some painting. The gold stars are a stencil, and I just outlined them in some white. And that's about it. Oh, I'm sorry, the paper here is, it's not showing up on camera that well, but it's, forgive the shakiness, but it is glitter paper that I whitewashed. You can kind of see right there. Those are the stars. There's Miss Birdie. And there's Mr. Birdie. Forgive my painted hands. Well, YouTubers, hope you're having a happy Sunday, and thanks for stopping by and watching. This is Gail from Gail's Glam Designs. Please like it if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. I look forward to those. Thanks. Have a great life.